Hey friends, I'm back in the kitchen and I am making some grits for breakfast. This does have butter and sugar and salt in it. Yeah, this is not for the folks who are looking for the shrimp and grits. If you are looking for my shrimp and grits recipe, you can go to plussizeinchicago.com, and that's where I am making the cheesy grits with this sauce, with the bacon, with some blackened catfish. So if you are interested in that particular recipe for grits, go to my website again at plussizeinchicago.com, and I'll have the instructions as well as a video that you can watch too. So back to my sweet grits that I am making for this video. So I am using the Quaker Oats brand of grits. This is the old-fashioned grits, and I am using instructions. There's basically 4 cups of water, 1 cup of grits. I'm whisking that in. When it's boiling, I'm going to turn that heat down and place a top over it so that it can simmer. This is going to be cooking for approximately 15 minutes, about between 12 and 15 minutes, but you just want to have this on a low simmer. Once this has finished simmering, you're going to use your whisk again, and you just want to make sure that you're stirring it because you don't want any clumps within your grits. You want it to be nice and smooth. The next thing that you want to do is, after it's been whisked, is to get your butter, your salt, and your sugar together. So for this, I'm going to be adding 6 tablespoons of salted butter. So don't use the sweet creamy butter, you're going to use salted butter. And then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of salt. And basically, that's just going to balance everything. So I'm going to add in 3/4 cups of sugar. You can add in 1 cup of sugar, just depends on how sweet you want this. And from there, you're going to start and just make sure that everything is incorporated so that you're, again, not having lumps, but also all the ingredients are blending well together. But yeah, that's it. That is how you make grits with sugar in there. It may be a Midwest thing, but my mom is from the South, and this is the way she likes hers too. It's really just a preference. So again, if you want to have sugar in your grits, or if you want to have the cheesy grits, you can go to my website at plussizeinchicago, and both of those recipes are on there. I'll see you guys next time. So friends, if you're watching this on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, shout out to everyone who has subscribed to my channel, or maybe you're following me on one of those social media platforms. Thank you so much for coming back and cooking with me again. If you are new here, my name is Angela, and this is my account Plus Size in Chicago, where I make a lot of easy to cook comfort food meals. You'll also see me reviewing different restaurants in the greater Chicagoland area, or maybe showing you some places I ate while on vacation. Be sure to subscribe or follow me. Also leave a comment and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you guys next time.